Hi friends. Now friends, the person like you, the person like me, it is many of the times in life where we go into trouble and we need to figure out who can help us in these difficult moments. Now basically difficult moments can be with everyone, it can be with you, it can be with me, or it can be with the person who is not watching this video. But difficulties are with everyone, and the attitude of dealing with difficulties is also varies because some of the persons can have the list of persons who can help in their difficult time, and I am those one person. While on the same hand, some of the person did not have any kind of such list who can give list of people who can help in their difficulty. Although although I have one of the related experience, and basically this experience consists of a very interesting novel. So so stay with us with the end of the video, and you will get the entire novel and video explanation. So hi friends, today I welcome you to Spectacular Eyes of Modern Day Empire. Here I try my best to share one of my experience, and on the basis of that experience I have one of the unique novel. So incident is just couple of days ago, where I have where the person living in neighborhood was the business person. His only business was to supply daily food items to the respective shops, the shops who order it. So basically, he usually used to take bulk orders. That's why he was engaging in he was just connected with some type of services, some type of professional services. Like you see the tempos who just used to deliver the heavy stuff around over a large amount of area. So he was just connected to such a type of network. So as I was continuing, then he recently got a short order of two baskets from that shop. Now basically the shop was demanding a small order, so that's why he feel like now his workers are very busy, and it was being a very hard and tough schedule. That's why he think that convincing them for his help will be quite difficult. When he asked for our help, he said that this is all the scenario. So if you prefer to help me, so you please help me. Then we think a little bit, and then we think that he's our neighbor, and although he's a good in business, because we trust his quality of foods, that's why we decided that yes, we will help you. Then when at the time of help, my father got urgent work. That's why he need to leave. But he offered to me that if you want to help, and if you can help, though, then you must go and help. Then I go to the house of that business owner, and he gave me the boxes, and he said that this is one of the worst times. So that's why if the one shop owner demand for discount or little discount, then you are free to offer them. Then I think a little bit, and then I said that okay. Then I go to that shop where I need to deliver the boxes. I go to there. I ask them that sir, this is your boxes, and you need to pay this amount. Then he checked the amount, and then he demanded for the discount. Then I said that how much discount you want. So he directly demanded for a discount of 30%. He was telling me that you are having good quality foods, but now this is the worst times. So there is no chance of other customer to buy that food, and so if you so your foods can get spoiled, and that's why you need to face the whole. So instead of whole loss, just bear the pain of small loss and move on. Then I think a little bit. Then I said that no sir, because whatever I think I don't know, but I directly answered no. Then I left to my house, and since couple of decisions were in my hands, so there was nobody to question me that why I did that and why so I did that. So I was free to take my decisions. Then I come home. Next day, the same person called the business owner, and the business owner said that the same person is demanding for the boxes, and he's asking that he will do the full payment without any single percentage. Then I said that okay, I will go and then send them. I go there, I receive the boxes, I take the full payment, and then I return it. Then I hand over the money to the business owner, and it is for mine. Now guys, we will shift to the mall. Now before getting to the mall, please subscribe to our channel Modern Empire. Thank you for watching this video up till here. Hopefully you get all these things clearly. And like to this video, share to this video to your friends and family. Comment in the comment box what you think about this video. If there's couple of things you're not getting clearly, so you're free to comment in comments. Now guys, moral is basically here. Don't settle for average. Because guys, if you're in good in business and you have best products or services that you offer, then basically quality of product or quality of service will definitely give your customers and bold stand to just stand with you. So if your customers are in your support, so just nobody could be different. And if this is all the scenario, then you don't need to offer discount and you don't need to settle for average, because after all your product is very quality based product. So basically this is all. At last, remember one thing very clearly. Understand the difference, and then decide where to stand and which to stand. Thank you for watching this video up till here. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye.